Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clinton County, northwestern Highland County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blanchester, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Hillsborough, Blanchester, Lynchburg, New Vienna, Russell, Martinsville, Midland, Samantha, Westboro, Cuba, Morrisville, Burtonville, and Cowan Lake State Park. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Southwest